Becoming rich is a goal that many people aspire to, but it is important to understand that it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and smart financial planning to achieve. Welcome to Business by World. In this video, we will discuss the steps that you can take to become rich, as well as provide examples of successful rich people in the world. Step 1. Set financial goals. The first step to becoming rich is to set financial goals. It is important to know what you want to achieve financially and what steps you need to take to get there. Start by identifying your long-term financial goals, such as buying a house or retiring early, and then break them down into smaller, more achievable goals. Step 2. Live below your means. One of the keys to becoming rich is to live below your means. This means spending less money than you earn and saving the rest. It is important to create a budget and stick to it, so that you can save money and invest it wisely. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is another important step to becoming rich. This can include investing in education, training, or learning new skills that can help you advance in your career or start your own business. By investing in yourself, you can increase your earning potential and create more opportunities for yourself. Step 4. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is another key to becoming rich. This means creating a diversified investment portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets that can provide a return on your investment. It is important to work with a financial advisor to help you create a solid investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 5. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships is another important step to becoming rich. This can include attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and networking with successful people in your field. By building relationships with others, you can create opportunities for yourself and learn from their experiences. Examples of successful rich people in the world. Number 1. Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the founder and CEO of Amazon, the world's largest online retailer. Bezos is currently one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $177 billion. Bezos' success can be attributed to his ability to innovate and disrupt traditional business models, as well as his focus on customer satisfaction. Number 2. Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the co-founder of Microsoft, one of the world's largest and most successful technology companies. Gates is currently one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $131 billion. Gates' success can be attributed to his vision for the future of technology and his ability to build a company that has revolutionized the way we work and communicate. Number 3. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. Buffett's success can be attributed to his ability to identify undervalued companies and invest in them for the long term. He is known for his value investing strategy and his ability to create wealth through smart investments. Number 4. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is a media mogul, actress, and philanthropist. Winfrey is one of the most successful and influential people in the world, with a net worth of over $2.7 billion. Winfrey's success can be attributed to her ability to connect with her audience and create a media empire that includes television shows, books, and magazines. Number 5. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur and inventor, known for his work in the fields of electric cars, space travel, and renewable energy. Musk is currently one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $186 billion. Keep watching our channel and subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.